Hey guys, the channel is happy, and today I bring a new video for you for a very cool thing called thumbnails. So how to make thumbnails like me? Yes, like me. How to make it? I don't use any softwares. I don't use any offline thing. I use only online. Its name is a website called panzoid.com. It's panzoid.com. panzoid.com. It's a very cool website. You can also make an intro and you also make a clip. And I will today I show you how to make a good background or thumbnail. So click on background 3. Then there are preloaded backgrounds here. So I use this background, blue one. Then you can make many things like YouTube one, channel avatar, YouTube thumbnail, Twitter, Facebook cover photo, and etc. So we are making here YouTube thumbnail. So here it is. Then you can also change the radial type. It's linear and it's linear, and you can also change the color. Oh, what's that? Yeah, here, like blackish. See, change here. Then go to the text plus images. So take a new text. Then write how to make thumbnails. So how to then choose your font. I use if freaky ink font. What is name here? I don't know the exact name. Yes, if ink by our freaky. So then I change color, but I'm not changing color here. Then I change the font size 100, yes, and text border on. Thickness I take 6, and text zero I take 100. 6 is not suiting, so I'm taking 5. Okay, and font size some bigger. How to? Then I copy this 3 times. How to? Sorry for that. Make. I change the font size 300. And then change this text. How to make, what's that? How to make great. Then I also change the font size 300. Great. How to make great thumbnails. So I copy one more. Then thumbnails. How to make great thumbnails. Oh my god, it's looking good. And change the text color. Here. I like blue colors. Make. Then do this. Great. Then I will use yellow color in thumbnails. How to make great thumbnails. So here the thumbnail has created. So click on download your background and download. So then your background has been downloaded. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel, like our video. Thank you.
Where are you now? I need you.